Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we're going to be looking at day number 19 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay then, so inside number 19 we have a Makeup Forever primer basically, and it's a Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and it is a smoothing primer. Okay, so this comes in a little box. So it's a smaller item, it is not a full size. We only get 5 mils in here. As you can see, it is only tiny. Now, sorry, I was holding up to my light there to see if I could see any product lines, but I can't really. I think it's quite thick plastic. Doesn't feel like there's a lot in there. So like I say, we get 5 mils in here. However, it's Makeup Forever product and it is a little bit more expensive. So for 15 mils, I think it was around £15, something like $14.50. I guess that makes this around about a £5. And if you're wanting to get a 30ml bottle of this or whatever it comes in, I can't remember, it is £26. So it does make it a little pricey for such small millages. Millages, is that a word? Anyway, I'm just going to let you know what the little write-up on the box says about it. So then it says step 1 is a range of complexion bases designed to refine and smooth the skin while evening out the complexion before applying your makeup. The smoothing primer fills in and blurs imperfections for a silky soft skin. This satiny non-oily formula evens out skin texture by minimising the appearance of pores, wrinkles and fine lines. Skin looks resurfaced and smooth for a flawless makeup all day long. Apply after skincare and before your makeup. Okay, so as you can tell, I've had makeup on all day today, that's on. But what I'll do is I'll just pop a little bit on my hand so you can see the consistency, and I will definitely be giving this a try in the future. I'm wondering if maybe I should do perhaps a full face, well, or as near as I can, a full face of makeup using products only using my advent calendar. Maybe. So if you'd like that idea, then drop me a comment down below and I'll maybe try and do that in the new year. Okay then guys, so that is day number 19 of the Birchbox Advent Calendar. If you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It'll be fantastic to have you here and you'll get notified when day 20 pops up. So until tomorrow, I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.